Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Ahmad Iqbal Fauzi. I heard from group 7 will convey the meaning of air pollution. Air is a part to support the life of living things in the world. There are many impacts when air pollution are disturbed, such as the comfort and beauty of the environment. Air is a mixture of gases found in the layer surrounding the earth. Air pollution means the presence of one or more contaminant in the atmosphere, air outside, such as dust, gas, fog, odors, smoke, or dust in the large quantities with varying properties so that they can cause disturbance to human, plant, or animal life. Air pollution is divided into two parts. Primary air pollution. Primary air pollution is the product of sulfur monoxide and carbon monoxide due to the combustion process, or in other words, primary pollution is a form of air pollution that is caused directly from the source of pollution. For example, carbon monoxide from industry area. Secondary air pollution. Secondary air pollution is pollution that is formed from the reaction of primary pollutant in the atmosphere. An example is the formation of ozone from the greenhouse effect. Some types of air pollutant include the following: 1. Carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide gas, SO and SO2 gas, chlorofluorocarbon gas, hydrocarbons and nitrogen oxide particle. And where does air pollution occur? This air pollution can be in the form of solid, such as small particles caused by dust flying due to wind, smoke from industry and motor cycle, and the process of decomposition of organic waste. In addition to being in the form of solid, pollution can be in the form of liquid and water. Pollution in the form of liquid such as rainwater and chemicals are quite dominant. Gas form such as ozone, CO2, while air pollution is in the form of wave such as noise due to sound produced by motorized vehicle. So air pollution is common in industry area as well as densely popular area.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ratih Dewi Nasito. My argument about when air pollution occurs and who affect it. Impact of air pollution on living things. Number 1, man. The impact of air pollution generally attacks the respiratory tract, which has a direct impact on the lung. The most common health problem felt from the impact of inhaling polluted air, respiratory tract infection, asthma, bronchitis, and other respiratory disorder. Number 2, animal. The negative impact of air pollutant on animal is not much different for human and plant. Impact on animal can occur directly and indirectly. Directly, when there is an interaction through the respiratory system, as happen in human. Indirectly, impact occur through an intermediary, either plant or water, that serves as animal food. The emission of pollutant substances into the atmosphere, such as particulate, NO, SO, HF, and other, which then interact with plant and water either through the process of deposition or attachment, will have a direct effect on vegetation and aquatic biota, so that it can spread to the environment animal through the food chain that has been contaminated with this pollutant. The effect of nitrogen oxide at high dust on animal is the occur of symptoms of nervous system paralysis and convulsion. Number 3, plant. Plants have a great reaction in accepting the effect of change or disturbance due to air pollution and environmental change. This happens because of many influencing factors, including plant species, age, nutritional balance, plant condition, temperature, humidity, and light. Some examples of damage that occur in nutritional disorder and biological attraction disorder are a decrease in enzyme level, disturbance in physiological response are changes in the photosynthetic system, while visible disturbance are chlorosis, flaking, reduced crop yield. The occur of pollution disturbance to plant can be classified into two categories, namely primary and secondary pollution. There are several causes of air pollution. Number 1, burning fossil fuels. Number 2, industrial emission. Number 3, indoor air pollution. It turns out that indoor. Number 4, forest fire. Number 5, agricultural activist use of pesticides. Number 6, chemical and synthetic product. Number 7, microbial decomposition process. Some introduce use chemical, textile, and organic. Number 8, transportation. Motor, vehicle, and car are the main contributor to air pollution. Number 9, burning garbage openly. Number 10, mining.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Jamilia Nuraini. My argument about why air pollution occurs and how to prevent it. Air pollution occurs due to the entry of pollutant into the atmosphere caused by two factors, namely nature. For example, volcanic activity that emits volcanic smoke and gases, forest fires, and organism activity, smelting, processing, and mining heating, especially for those of you who live in cities. Air pollution is not uncommon, generally comes from vehicles, factory fumes, cigarettes, and others. This should not be taken lightly because it can cause respiration problems, and skin irritation, and lung cancers. Lungs to death, then such a thing should be better reduced by doing. Number 1, switch from private vehicles to public transportation. In this way can reduce congestion, which result in the accumulation of visual fumes. Number 2, cycling and walking are easy ways to do when you want to walk close. Also do not produce pollution and can nourish the body. 3. Do not burn garbage. People think that burning garbage will reduce the accumulation of garbage, but it is very influential on the emergency of air pollution containing toxic substance. If it lasts a long time, will result in the risk of health problems such as heart, lung cancer. Number 4, stop smoking. This is almost the same as burning garbage that affects the health of the body and surroundings. 5. Limiting electricity consumption because Indonesia still uses coal and oil power plants which can produce smoke and pollution. Therefore, we must limit the use of electric, electricity, such as turning off lights during the days. Number 6, maintain more plants. If it is not possible to reduce pollution, then do planting theirs around us because the plants will release oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide from the air so that the surrounding air will feel cool and fresh. In addition, we also reduce pollution by limiting the use of air fresheners and chemical-based products, cleaning floors and home, furnishing, and using air filters. Thank you.